Hi guys, Cookies and Toys here, and today I have this Crayola coloring sticker book from Shopkins. This book has 32 pages to color and a lot of stickers, and they are really big. I love them all. Look how they are cute. Today we're coloring popcorn, so now let's get started. We can start coloring popcorn in dark red. Let's use red for the tongue and green for the eyes. And also green for the Shopkins logo. For the popcorn we can use light and dark yellow. We can leave some part of the popcorns in white to look more natural. This fourth thing in the background is going to be pink and blue. The star is going to be orange. This little star is purple. And this other one here is blue and caramel. Let's color this heart in pink and the last circle in green. We can use light gray in popcorn for the shadow. Then the rest of the background we can make it in green, light and dark blue. Let's have an apple blossom sticker here. Super cute! And our coloring is totally done! Look at all these colors, they are so beautiful! I love it! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, hope you enjoy. You can tell me in the comments what is your favorite flavor of popcorn. I love bacon and I also love sweet popcorn caramel flavor. Okay guys, so I see you tomorrow in my next coloring. Bye!